Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you this website. The website name is Cryptowin.io. This website link available in description. You can claim your Bitcoin reward. This website pay with you can watch advertisement, do survey, and do offer walls and more. Earn Bitcoin investment and lots more. This is the website app. The next way is the referral contest. This website have 1 million Satoshi every month. Have a referral contest you can participate, and this is the all investment plan. Totally return this much daily, this much this will be paid. If you want to use the investment of this website, if you don't want, you can watch advertisement and claim your faucet. You can claim your reward, pay your instant your faucet pay. And this is the registration people are available around the world. PTC advertisement watch and total Bitcoin this website pay other people, and this is the trust pilot. A lot of people trusting this website and rating this website. Okay, first of all, click register. You can register your account. Okay, first of all, put your username, then email address. After email address, you can import your faucet pay Bitcoin wallet address or your direct Bitcoin wallet address. So you choose one of these. I choose faucet pay Bitcoin wallet address. I copy from faucet pay, come here, paste it. If you want to choose other cryptocurrency wallet address, or you can choose your direct wallet address, just put your Bitcoin wallet address. Okay, if you use direct wallet address, this is my faucet pay wallet address of Bitcoin. You can choose your any Bitcoin wallet address you have. Okay, the next way is a password and repeat password. You can solve this captcha and just click create an account. You can easily make an account. You can solve the captcha in the down below, like 0 plus 30 is a 30. Okay, sorry, 30, and you can just click claim, create an account. I have already account. I just click login to show you how you can start earning. Okay, before you come here login, after you creating your account, go to your email address and verify your email address, then you can log in this website. Okay, if you didn't verify your Gmail address, you can do that. Okay, the first way is the referral contest. I click in here. 1 million Satoshi is beating. In here you can see this is the first person. The starting date is 3 July 2022. The finish date is 2 August 2022, and this is the round 7. Okay, this is the time left. You can see this person making 100 referral, and this much Bitcoin this person get, and this is the all people getting their Bitcoin from this website. And that's it from this from referral. The next way is investment. You can invest in here. That's your own choice. The minimum invest amount is 1000 Satoshi. You can invest, and this will be receive a return 0.7% return every day, and 180 days this will be totally get, and pay you 1260 BTC. The next way is reward. This will be pay you just complete a faucet, and you can get your reward. Okay, in here you can see 2 to 4 Satoshi. This will be pay you. My balance is 5 Satoshi. This in down is your own balance. Every 50 minutes you come back and claim. Just click claim. Solve this captcha is a 7 plus 3 is a 10. Just put the 10 and come down and just click claim. Okay, and you can see this website pay me 2 Satoshi. And after 15 minutes I come back and claim again. The next way is view ads. You can view advertisement from this website, and I want to open this one. This is all. If you watch this one, hit Satoshi, this will be paid. This is different ways you can click. I just click one of the advertisement to show you how you can earn. If you click that advertisement, wait few seconds to this page, this dialog box show you, and this is the start button. Just click the start button. The advertisement will be show you a website without anything, no timer, didn't pay. It's show us. You can go to the website. This is the great one Satoshi. This website fill you if you want. Just please do not close that page. You didn't close the first page to you click to open it. Okay, you didn't click the advertisement website to show you. And the next way is lottery ticket. You can participate in lottery ticket. You can win. Maybe you are the winner user. This much user available, and this much tickets a lot of people buy. You can buy. You just click max. Every ticket will be price is 1 Satoshi. Okay, the next way is BTC multiple. You can use this trick to multiple your BTC. You can use automatically, or you can use manually. You can multiple your BTC to win much more BTC. The next way is a offer wall. You complete offers and get some BTC, but after 5 days you can open offers. Okay, after 5 days your website have 5 days. The next way, advertisement. You can create your own advertisement with some Satoshi. Every 10 seconds have a 4 Satoshi, and this is the own advertisement if you want to make. And in here the last one is the withdrawal proof. A lot of you know how you can withdraw. Just click the withdraw. You can see the minimum Satoshi of the withdrawal is 200 Satoshi. You reach it, you can withdraw your amount. Thanks for watching, guys. This website link available in description. This website is wonderful. Just come here, join this website fast, and I will be share with you the withdrawal proof, and I will be deposit in this website to show you how you can start earning just depositing in here, and how you can buy an option, a share, and you can start earning. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye for now.